Hello everyone, welcome to After Service. Today we are taking an in-depth look at the BYD Destroy 05 after 1 year of ownership. It's still a good choice. Has it lived up to expectation? Let's find out. The BYD Destroy 05 is a plug-in hybrid sedan that combines a gasoline engine with an electric motors. It offers impressive fuel economy, a comfortable ride, and plenty of modern technology. After 1 year of use, the exterior still looks modern and stylish. The paint quality has held up well, and the body panels remain solid with no major sign of wear. Inside the cabin, the seats are comfortable and the infotainment systems is easy to use. The large touchscreen digital instrument cluster and premium design make the interior feel much more expensive than the car's price suggests. When it comes to drive, the BYD Destroy 05 delivers smooth acceleration and a good ride, especially when driving in electric mode. The steering is light, making it easy to drive in the city, while the suspension provides a comfortable balance between hand and comfort. Fuel economy remains one of the biggest advantages of the car. With regular charging, many owners can significantly reduce their fuel costs and complete most daily trips using electric power. After a year, there are only a few mere issues to maintain. Like any modern vehicle, software updates may occur occasionally be needed, and regular maintenance is essential to keep the hybrid systems in top condition. Overall, the BYD Destroy 05 continued to be a reliable, economical, and practical plug-in hybrid. It offers excellent value for money and is a strong choice for anyone looking for efficient daily drive. Would we still recommend buying the BYD Destroy 05 after years? Yes, especially if you want low running costs, modern technology, and a comfortable driving experience. What has experience with the BYD Destroy 05 been like? Let us know in the comment below. If you enjoyed this review, please like the video, subscribe to After Service, and turn on notification for more BYD reviews, maintenance tips, and repair guides. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.